See if I can catch him. That's hands-free. Safe off and let's climb it, baby. I'm going up. I want to catch the moon. You got that, Abby?
Gotcha.
I'm safe. That was a pretty good climb.
That was, yeah. Nice, very nice.
Oh, beautiful. There's the other one.
I'm so focused on the flight now. I want to barnstorm Gary's jet. Isn't that just the coolest thing?
Don't hit Gary's.
Look at that landing. It just doesn't get any better. I can't tell you the last time I've flown my F16 Thunderbirds, but I absolutely love flying it every single time I get a chance. And my buddy Gary from I Just Got Here on YouTube said he really wanted an opportunity to fly a jet here where we've been flying. So here we are. We've each got our beautiful planes. We're gonna do our very best to fly together. We did just fly the Huskies, and I think that went extremely well. Yeah, it was fun. So we're already getting better. We're practicing at flying together. That's what we're gonna try to do. Get a couple passes together. We just need, what, 4 more of these in the air and really get them.
It would look good.
It would look so good. These are just tried and true, as good as it gets, really. That's why we both have one. We absolutely love them. If you like the setup, we'll have it linked in the description box below.
Gary, tell everybody about your channel.
My channel is all about flying live daily, and no matter what the conditions are, you're gonna see what happens. I'm Grandpa Gary, and my channel is called I Just Got Here because I always fly as soon as I get there. If you don't mind, please subscribe, hit that notification bell when you get there, and I always love it when people leave comments.
Now, if you don't subscribe to Gary's channel, we can't fly. So we're literally waiting on ground clearance, meaning you guys gotta subscribe to Gary, hit the notification bell before we can take off. So come on, hurry, we're ready to fly. We want to thank today's sponsor, Leading Edge Supplements Severe Clear. This is an energy supplement designed by a full-scale pilot for other full-scale pilots and RC pilots. The reason we like it is because it increases your mental focus, gives you a little burst of energy. Check them out in the description box below. They're so awesome to give us an exclusive promo code to save 15%. So if you like energy supplements, or you know somebody that likes energy supplements, or just the pilot in your life, pick one of these up for them. Use the TheRcSaylors promo code. Let's fly. Let's go. We're going to taxi these down. I'm the one out in front right now. We're just going to get them taxied down so we can get a little bit of runway for takeoff.
Well, they just look good taxiing.
I know, that's why I wanted to record that. That should be good enough, Gary. These things take off quick on asphalt. But you know that. He flies at a parking lot. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, I'll lead it here. Yeah. We are up. Let's get the landing gear on this next pass.
I'll tell you when.
Abby will tell us when.
Hold on. Okay.
You're good, Gary. You're good.
And
Get her down.
Nah, I'm sorry. You guys are really
That's
far
okay.
away.
The landing gear's up on Gary's. Mine is going to go up here in a second.
Sorry, guys.
It's all right. We're going to get them cleaned up here. Gary and I are just getting used to flying together.
Oh, I have this on the wrong camera setting. Okay, sorry. There's a cut there. That all probably looked really weird.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm very
Gary
sorry.
and I are just getting caught up. Gary, let's lower our landing gear on this pass. And then we'll put it up on the next pass. 3, 2, 1 for me. I'm putting mine down. Look at that. Actually, we can put it up when we get by. And 3, 2, 1.
You all are really far away.
Landing gear going up. All right,
That's the moon, not a plane.
Down some, so Gary can get caught up because this plane can fly pretty slow. There we go. We're together. Let's go, go, go. Very nice. If we can get this turn together, that'll be sweet. We'll get a high-speed pass. Get the turn. You want to go quick on this one, Gary? You go full throttle. I'm cooking it right now. There's full throttle. Let's hope we don't hit each other.
Nate's is a little faster than mine. I had that fiery booty in there to slow me down just a little bit.
You are Grandpa Gary.
That's Grandpa Gary.
Grandpa Gary. I'm full throttle now.
Oh, I'm about half throttle there. He is catching up. Gary, on this next pass, we'll go full throttle. I'll let you take the lead. And then We'll go safe off and really kick it to
So that's Gary right here in the
That's
lead.
Gary, and I'm coming in behind. See if I can catch him. That's
There's
hands free. Safe off and let's climb it, baby. I'm going up. I want to catch the moon. You got that, Abby?
Gotcha.
I'm in safe. That was a pretty good climb.
That
for
was,
safe.
yeah. I'm out of safe completely because I rolled it over. We'll get it closer. Let's do a nice roll on this pass, Gary.
All right, I got safe on.
And now mine, Abby, here.
Mine was way too fast.
That was quick. That is quick. I'm keeping safe off until we land her. These things fly so good. And I think the best thing about this plane is just how it looks. So let's just break it up a little bit, Gary. Abby can just pick who she wants to chase. We'll just do whatever we want. This thing will do some pretty high alpha stuff. Is this the plane that'll snap roll? It is, isn't it? So I'm in the lead.
Absolutely know it.
And yeah, there we go. Look
Nate's flipping flopping. Gary's straight right here. I got Gary. I think Nate's getting jealous, catching up.
Yeah, that's right. I can't let Gary just have all the camera time. All right, I'm gonna try to catch up to him. All right, my goal is gonna be to try to chase Gary now. See if I can keep it. I had to go 0 throttle on that just to slow down, get him on this curve.
All right, I moved to low rates because that roll is just crazy.
Yeah. I want to try to tell Gary, but I'm ahead of him right now. There we go. I love these things. They've got that blue eagle on the bottom. Can we get it together? Here it is. Nice, Gary, nice.
Oh, beautiful. There's the other one.
These things are just so sweet, and to have two of them in the air together, extremely awesome. Here we go. Knife edge it?
Nope.
I'm trying.
I've tried many times. And
Yeah.
I can't get it.
You guys are over 3 minutes of flight.
Okay, that's good, that's good. This is looking so good, Gary. I'm so focused on the flight now.
The rockets on that look so good.
Yeah, that was good.
All right, I'm doing a gear check.
Okay, I'll drop my gear.
Who's in the
too.
lead?
Smart. I'm in the lead. We both just dropped our landing gear.
There's Gary.
Yeah, are you bringing it in from the left, Gary? Or are you going to come in from the right?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay, well, let's bring it in from the right if you can see. Yep. You might have to step out some away from...
I'm good.
I see 3 wheels. Let's try to put it down.
There's Nate right there.
Yeah. You going to take the lead on the landing?
I'm coming around now.
Okay.
There's Gary.
Down first. You got it, man. This is a good place to land this jet.
Just take your time. You can circle around. Very nice.
Right here.
Here's Nate.
Yeah.
Nate's already down.
I love this jet. See, this one likes the runway. I'm gonna go one more time because this thing is just so awesome. You ready for the snap?
Yep.
I got a tiny bit disoriented when I fell out of that snap, so I kicked safe on, and it just went nice and level for me. I want to barnstorm Gary's jet. Isn't that just the coolest thing? I do believe, other than my A10, this has got to be the coolest looking jet I have. I really love the Thunderbirds, and the thing is, the wings on this, they don't hang out very far, so
Don't hit Gary's.
they stay nice and stable when you come in for landings. You really don't have to oversteer it on the ground or anything.
Don't hit Gary's.
No. Look at this, look at that landing. It just doesn't get any better. This thing is designed for asphalt. Now it did great on grass too, but this is just an absolute winner. I love the Thunderbirds. Taxi's nice too. Yeah. Oh, he's going again. He's going again. I'm going to chase it. I'm chasing it. You just can't get enough. That's the beauty of this jet.
Somebody's going to crash because of the low battery.
I'm only going one more time. I'm actually going to circle to the right.
I'll help Gary in on this one. We'll walk him right in.
I think I got Nate right now. Gary's in the lead.
Gary's in the lead, that's right.
I don't see. Okay, there's Gary.
I'm going to go out a little bit farther and follow Gary right in. Olsen to the focus, the competition. Now he's got it.
Looks good.
He's got it. That was good.
It was barely bounced. No one saw it.
That's a nice part about this airplane is that landing gear just absorbs there.
Ooh. Isn't that just beautiful?
Good job, guys.
I think I killed my battery on that one. Oh yeah, I did. That's okay.
I'm glad you made it down.
There's just something about that airplane. It's just so pretty. You have to love it. And it's so easy to fly too. It really is. My confidence when I'm flying this jet soars through the roof. I feel like I'm a Top Gun pilot. I mean, and then when you bring it in and you grease a landing like we did, time and time again, so much that we killed our battery, just the confidence goes through the roof, doesn't it?
It's such a sweet airplane to fly.
It is. And it looks good. We've got people watching back there. It's just an airplane, a jet to enjoy. And I've gotten so much good out of this airplane. Like Gary said, the landing gear just absorbs so much of that impact when it comes in. It really makes it look just professional every time, whether safe is on or not. We're both flying with our Spectrum radios, and I highly encourage you guys, if a plane exists, now I know they have plug and play versions, but to me, to spend the extra 30 or 40 bucks to get the one that has safe already inside, and you don't have to do anything other than plug it in, you know, it's just a no-brainer to me. I highly encourage you go with safe and AS3X versions when you can. I know it's hard to break away from if you're flying on Tactic or Futaba or JR or whatever. It's hard to break away from that, but it's just a treat to get out and fly this. And Gary, I want to say thanks for coming down and having a good time with us. And
thanks for the invite.
Being on the channel a couple times. So you guys give Gary some love and go sub to his channel. I want to thank the big guy upstairs for an awesome day to fly with friends, and our Patreon supporters for just keeping the channel going. We'll have another fast jet video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
I'm Grandpa Gary and I just got here. Bye!
Bye!